Spring's here. Time to enjoy the great outdoors. But that also means the dreaded DIY. Don't worry, Ronseal will help you get it done using powers of persuasion. Focus. Imagine your perfect weekend. A lie-in, box sets, a lovely roast, relaxing. But how much better will you feel after painting your fence with Ronseal Fence Life Plus? The feeling will last 5 years. Apply Ronseal 10-year wood stain to the front door and forget about that for, well, guess. Finally, with Ronseal Ultimate Protection Decking Stain, your decking's protected in all weathers. Rain, sun, snow. You get the idea. Ronseal makes DIY so very easy. Now, just do exactly what it says on the tin. Ronseal.